one of the locks I got in my box O locks from Bosnia and Bill was this American lock. I was kind of happy because I knew it was a removable core and that it was possibly bypassable until I flipped it over and seen that maybe he replaced it with this tubular lock. I tried to bend a couple tensioners, but I couldn't get nothing that would lock it, the center core, so I could pick each pin. Just so happened that I picked up this on the internet, Craigslist. Somebody was selling it. Got it for $70. Comes with 7 and an 8, and the directions, and worded in the decoder. So I don't know what the 8's for. I don't know if we have any 8's here in the States. If that's only over there in Europe or whatever. If so, heck, I'll trade somebody for some flags. But let's see if it'll work with this. So let's get them all kind of spread out. And get them flattened. And give it a shot. Oh. Let me lock that. So that opened up. Well, that wasn't too hard. Pretty cool. I like that toy.